here with my 18 horsepower motor. Sanded the cowl to show off the aluminum and the lines. Runs really well. So the current settings here for where I'm at. Overcast today. It's very cold. Water temperature at 49. Water's murky. Came try to find some crappie. We caught a trout. It's in the bag actually right there. Measured at 16 inches. Some buddies here earlier where they had to take off. I'm trying to do a little speed run on my boat, see what it can do. So far, maxed out at 21 miles an hour on a 14-foot 1966 Alumacraft F7. It's about 4 feet wide, 14 feet long, and I weigh about 280 pounds. And the motor plus the gas can and the battery, so all that weight put together, I would think there's probably close to probably like 400 pounds in here. No, probably close to, probably near 500 actually, all the parts like wood and all that stuff I have in here. And it's getting up to, plus a Minn Kota motor too, 55 pound max by mini top. Anyways, I'm gonna do another speed run, record it this time, and then give one more look on the radar, see if I can find these crappie, because I have not been able to. And these little Bluetooth speakers are awesome. They sound great. All right, here we go. A lot of blue smoke.